Welcome to Auto Ritual. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Heartopia white or black screen issue on PC.
Fix 1. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Press Windows plus X, Device Manager, Display Adapters. Step 2. Right-click your GPU update driver, search automatically. Step 3. Restart PC and open the game. Fix 2. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right-click Heartopia Properties, Compatibility, Run as administrator. Step 2. Click Apply, OK, and start the game. Fix 3. Verify game files. Steam. Step 1. Steam library. Right-click Heartopia Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Step 2. Wait, then launch the game. Fix 4. Disable full screen optimization. Step 1. Right-click Heartopia Properties, Compatibility, disable full screen optimizations. Step 2. Apply and start the game.